Sometimes people, even though they may have had relationships that have lasted years, unknowingly have a fear of commitment. And that fear can be for many reasons. I can go into those reasons, but what I'd like to do here is, and if you want me to, leave me comments in the comments section and I will respond. Okay, I will respond with a video addressing that. What I want to do now is just work on cleaning that word commitment. So if, as you think of commitment to whatever it is that you want to commit to right now, or commitment in a love relationship, like commitment in a love relationship doesn't mean ringing somebody or texting somebody. It means living together every day, unless your work takes you elsewhere, but living together every day, committing to each other like forever. That's what I mean by commitment. Some people would call it a marriage, but some people don't want to get married. Maybe it's too expensive. Maybe it's too complicated. Maybe they're not ready for marriage yet. That's fine. But just that word commitment, let's see if we can clean that word for you. The same applies for committing to a job, committing to an employer, committing as a parent, committing to whatever you need to commit to, where your lack of commitment is causing a problem. And that's what I'm talking about. So let's try to clear the word commitment for you and see what happens. So tap here with me. And if you need a tapping guide, there's a tapping guide on my channel. You can do my quiz if you haven't done it already, and it'll give you the right tapping guide for you. So tap here with me and repeat after me, even though I have these feelings about the word commitment. I just want to move forward in whatever way is right for me today. Even though I have these feelings about the word commitment, I just want to move forward in a way that is safe and right for me today. Even though I have this feeling or these feelings about the word commitment, I just want to move forward in whatever way is right for me today. Very good. And tap here with me and just repeat after me the simple word, commitment. 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 And put your hands on the heart for a while and just take 3 calming breaths. And just imagine if the worst you can feel, the most stressed you can feel as you hear the word commitment is 10, and calm is 0 as you hear the word commitment. Where would you be right now? Make a note of it. Also, write down what the word commitment means to you. And then repeat the tapping. Keep repeating until the word commitment comes down to a 0, or until the meaning of the word commitment stops changing for you, because it will keep changing until it settles. It's an interesting exercise. I really would like to know what you come up with, and what the meaning of commitment was to you, maybe at the beginning and at the end, please do leave me your comments in the comments section. I'm really, really interested in finding out how it went for you. And if there's anything else you want a video on, then just let me know. Your wish is my command. Thank you so much. See you later.